Musa Mseleku doesn't care about Makhumalo so much because Makhumalo cares about Musa Mseleku. Makhumalo loves Musa Mseleku, but Musa Mseleku doesn't love Makhumalo by the way Makhumalo loves him. We don't want to lie. For all his wives, because after announcing the 50th wife, he is with Macele. After drops Macele at her house, he goes to Mangwabe's house and begging her. You understand? After Mangwabe's house, he goes to Macele's house. He goes to Mayeni house. And Mayeni, she doesn't pick her phone. And he was worried too much with Mayeni. Why? He knows that Mayeni and Mangwabe, those women, they were keeping serious. They know that those people, they are not joking. Even Mayeni was so excited when Musa Mseleku, he was announced the 50th wife. But you know that when they are two, Mayeni and Musa, when they are two, Macele, she was so excited about Musa Mseleku by the 50th wife. But when they are two, Macele, she was so serious. He knows that Macele, Mayeni, Mangwabe, they don't tolerate anything from Musa Mseleku. That's why he runs, he goes to Mayeni's house. He doesn't not care about Makhumalo. He knows that Makhumalo, she is tolerating everything to Musa Mseleku. When she was hiding here, she was using her when she was a girl. You understand? Because why she doesn't care about Makhumalo, guys. From all women, guys, when your woman told, it's not about she is dumb in her mind, Makhumalo, that she is quiet. She is not yet like other women, like Macele and Mayeni and Mangwabe. And she knows that Mangwabe can react, Mayeni, she can react, and Macele, she can react. But it doesn't mean Makhumalo, she is a dump. She is not a dump. She loves Musa Mseleku, but Musa Mseleku doesn't care about Makhumalo. We don't want to lie. Doesn't care about that woman, about her feelings. You understand?